Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm super pumped today because I finally am going to have music in the BRZ. Ever since I kind of quit driving it during the winter time to kind of keep it a little bit nice and keep the miles off of it, the battery died, obviously, because that happens when you don't drive a vehicle. And now the stereo won't work because Subaru requires a SD card to be in the radio to reprogram it. It's supposed to be like an anti-theft feature. Well, it's stupid. So I'm completely switching it out. Is either spend $200 on an SD card to fix it and get navigation. And I've heard that, at least from one guy on one of the, the chats that you can look up online, talk to everybody. One of the guys said that they bought a new one and then after they had to reuse it, it didn't work anymore. So it was either risk it not working, spend $200 and then waste $200, or spend $200 on a new one, replace it, and they will get, my music back and not have to worry about the battery dying and not being able to use the radio again. So let's get to it. Let's kind of go over what I got here. One of the things you'll need is this USB adapter for the back of the stereo if you want to be able to use this USB plug here. And then for this harness, I just kind of match the colors, super easy. These do fall off if you pull on it a lot, so they tend to, I'll probably end up switching those out to actual like good connectors, or if you want to do it super professional, you can solder it together, but super easy. Just match the colors and you're good to go, and then just plug them into harnesses there. These other there's a couple loose, it's a whole mess, all this, thanks Subaru, but like these here you won't use, these you won't use, so you don't really need those just can sit there. This here is your antenna adapter, which I did get with it. So that just plugs into this plug here, and then I just attached it to the blue wire on the harness. And then for the microphone, so this came with a microphone. I went ahead and attached it up top here, and then it's kind of seemed to be the best place for it. And then ran the wire just like I did with my my dash cameras, just kind of up along, the edge here, down through here, through into the glove box here, and then into here, and that's kind of where it's at now. So this, I'll be able to use my phone, and they'll be able to actually hear me when I'm talking, so that's good. So I'm gonna get it all plugged in here, and then I'll show you guys kind of what it looks like after it's all installed, ready to go. All right, so I got it all installed. Pretty sweet. You have all your different sources that you can pick from. You can change all your different colors. There we go. So you can change all your different colors on your buttons and your background and everything. Hey guys, I hope you like the install. Super fast, super easy. Anybody could do it on their own. Definitely comment down below if you have any tips or tricks. smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, and I'll catch you guys next time.